Hi there, Rheology's laboratory is here. Today's video we are going to talk a little bit about polyethylene oxide polymer. PEO is a non-ionic water-soluble thermoplastic resin and has different properties. Synthesized by polymerization of ethylene oxide and using catalyst and controlling the polymerization, the polymer itself can be synthesized in different molecular weight, and the polymer chain looks like this, and depending on the number of the N, the MW molecular weight can be different. Okay, thanks to the Japanese company SUMITOMO SEIKA, we have different grades of polyethylene oxide, and from low MW to greater molecular weight. This one has 150,000 to 400,000 range, and this one's higher, up to 6 million molecular weight. The viscosity of aqueous solution will depend not only concentration of the polymer but on the molecular weight of that polymer also. For example, low MW number could have viscosity profile like this one, and the same time the higher MW number at the same concentration, the viscosity will be much higher and the profile will look a little bit different than the lower concentration, lower MW. It will be much higher and goes like this. And different molecular weight polymer act differently, and depending on the application you can choose different grades of the polymer. Now I'm going to show you how actually looks like polymer solution. Polymer itself, it's in solid state, it's powder and approximately 300 micron, and it's a non-ionic water-soluble polymer resin and creates this clear water-like solution. It's a hydrophilic polymer. When you add rapidly to the water, you will create like clogs, and in order to achieve this total dissolving, the polymer must first be completely dispersed in the water. On the second part of this video, I'm going to show effect of the polymer thickening. on the semi-gloss wall paint, and this sample has no thickening agent, so as you can see, the paint is just dropping. It's a semi-gloss white paint, has a about 60 to 70% water in the formulation. I added 0.5% of PEO number 3. The percentage of the polymer I added based on total weight. As you can see, it has slightly thickening properties, and I decided to increase that amount up to 1.5%, and the viscosity changed slightly, as you can see. Next, out of curiosity, I decided to add a little bit higher MW resin, and as you can see, this is the not great sample, but it could be applied to different type of application, like glue adhesives. So again, has unique properties, unique abilities that can be used different application, and the properties that like coagulation, reduction of friction, and some of them have the binding effect, so it could be incorporated to the film. So I'm gonna make another video about solubility of the PEO on different solvents, so please check it out.